What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pinoy Techdad. It's already the year 2019 and today we're talking about a device that actually came out way back in 2015. So let's find out if the Logitech K380 is still worth buying in 2019. First off, here is what you get in the box. There's not much of an unboxing experience here. Anyway, what I love about this keyboard is its compact size. It is really small and will 100% make your desktop look very minimalist. This comes in 3 colors, but I got the blue one and it absolutely looks really good on my desk. Oh, and before we continue, I just like to emphasize that if you plan on getting this keyboard for your desktop, make sure your PC has Bluetooth connection. I absolutely forgot that I didn't have Bluetooth on my PC, so I had to purchase a separate Bluetooth dongle. So if you want to use it right away, be prepared with a Bluetooth connection, as this will not be able to pair with your Logitech unifying receiver, which I have a lot of. Moving on, the Logitech K380 is so compact, you can bring this anywhere you go. People who do a lot of work on the go will truly appreciate this. And speaking of work, this thing just works as advertised. It can switch between 3 different Bluetooth paired devices at a time, from a MacBook Air, an iPhone, the Xiaomi Mi 9T, and to a Windows desktop. Pairing and switching to a different device is so seamless. Now, there are tons of reviews of the Logitech K380 out there since it came out in 2015, but some of you may still ask if this device is relevant in 2019, and the answer is a resounding yes. But we'll get back to that point later after I tell you more about the Logitech K380. So I've been using this for a few months and this has been a fantastic replacement to my office issued wired keyboard. Typing feels natural and there wasn't much of an adjustment period for me. The buttons, while smaller than your average keyboard, are very intuitive and it feels a little bit like typing on a laptop. It has rubber feet on its 4 corners and they grip pretty well. As for customizability, you can actually customize 4 keys using the Logitech Options software. As seen here, there are tons of choices to pick when it comes to which function you can assign to the 4 customizable keys. If there's one thing I'd complain about the Logitech K380, it's probably the fact that there are no adjustable legs, so I can change the angle of the keyboard. I usually prefer my keyboards to be slightly elevated, and not having that here is a little bit of a bummer, but not a deal breaker. Lastly, the battery life is amazing. It supposedly lasts up to 2 years of normal usage, but I haven't used this for that long. But since Logitech is a trusted brand, I'd probably take their word for it. Finally, on to our main point of this video. What makes the Logitech K380 still as relevant as it was since it came out is its capability of connecting to mobile devices like an iPad, an iPhone, or Android devices. For me, the ability to be able to type long documents on your mobile devices is a lifesaver. And this applies to both students and people who are working. If you're a student who needs to finish a paper and all you had was a phone or a tablet, the Logitech K380 will allow you to finish your paper while you're on the go. Or if you're an employee whose boss suddenly asks for a report and you're not in the office, you can easily finish that report on your phone with the help of the Logitech K380. Or if you're a YouTuber who answers all of the comments on all of their videos, you can write essay-like comments all the time. Okay, I just inserted the last one just because I used it to reply on a YouTube comment. Anyway, so in 2019, with a lot of fresh gadgets out there, a lot of new keyboards out there, should you still get this 4-year-old Logitech K380 Bluetooth keyboard? Absolutely. If you find this heavily discounted during a sale or during Black Friday, and you're the kind of person who will need to type long documents on their mobile devices, do yourself a favor and get one. And if you're getting one, I provided links in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day.